Are you tired of receiving calls from hidden or private numbers? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra lets you automatically block calls from caller who hide that phone number. Let me show you how. First, open the phone app, tap the three dot at the top right, then tap setting, tap block numbers. Here, enable block calls from unknown numbers. When this feature is enabled, your phone will automatically block calls from caller whose phone number is hidden or unavailable. This includes calls that appear as private number, unknown caller, and no caller ID. This caller will not be able to ring your phone. Important note, this feature doesn't block normal phone numbers that simply are not saved in your contacts. If the caller's number is visible, the call can still come through even if the number isn't stored on your phone. However, if you want to receive these calls again in the future, simply return to this setting and turn it off. And that's how you block calls from hidden numbers on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.